In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Roman page numbers in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're formatting a preface, an appendix, or a table of contents, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, let's add the page number to the first page. Double-click in the header area to activate it. From the top menu, click Insert, hover over Symbols, and select Special Characters. This opens the tool we need to find our Roman numerals. In the pop-up window, the default category is Symbol. Click on this first drop-down menu and change the category to Number. Then click on the second drop-down menu and select Other. This will filter the grid to show different numeral systems. Now scroll down through the list until you find the block of Roman numerals. Click on the character for I to insert it directly into your header. With the number in place, you can close the special characters window. To use a different number on the next page, we must create a separate section. Place your cursor at the end of your text on page 1, then go to the Insert menu. Hover on Break and click Section Break, Next Page. This adds a new page that can be formatted independently from the first. Notice the header on the new page is labeled Header, Section 2. Crucially, you must deselect the Link to Previous option on the right. This stops changes in this header from affecting the previous section. If you don't do this, both pages will show the same number. Now, with the header unlinked, we can insert the next page number, click into the header of section 2, go back to Insert, Symbols, and Special Characters. The window will likely open to the Roman numerals again. Select 2 and insert it. You now have 2 pages with sequential Roman numerals. Let's add a third page to continue the sequence. Click into the main body of page 2 and navigate again to Insert, Break, and Section Break, Next Page. Your document now has a third page, which belongs to section 3. Just as we did for section 2, we must unlink the header for section 3. Double-click in the header area of the third page and uncheck the Link to Previous box. This isolates the formatting for this page's header. For the final step, place your cursor in the header of section 3, open the Special Characters window one more time from the Insert menu, find and click on the Roman numeral 3 to place it in the header, then close the window. And there you have it. You've successfully added unique Roman page numbers to different sections of your Google Doc. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.